Hi, my name's Wendy Kohler, and I want to take 2 minutes of your time to show you an amazing, simple fruit and veggie wash that you're going to want to use on a daily basis for your produce. So I've got here some Brussels sprouts. We often put them in the Actifry, and probably what you're doing right now is just washing them or rinsing them with water. But I'm going to give you my secret tip in getting a lot of residue and pesticide off your fruits and veggies. It's very simple. You're gonna take doTERRA's lemon essential oil and drop a few drops in this bowl. I use a metal bowl or ceramic, and then you're just gonna let them sit for, I don't know, 1 to 2 minutes, and then you're gonna watch the grossness come off of your produce, even if you've already rinsed them. If you're looking for an easier solution, you can just pour in about a teaspoon of our On Guard Cleaner Concentrate, or simpler, less water waste, you can make a simple fruit and veggie spray wash. So I've got 10 to 15 drops of lemon oil in here, water, and a teaspoon of baking soda. I shake it up, and then I will put my fruits and veggies in a colander and just spritz them and let them air dry. And it's really that simple to remove toxins, residues, and pesticides from your produce. So I hope you enjoyed that tip. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and on YouTube, and enjoy your day.